Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to differentiate the properties of solids, liquids and gases. That is, we have to give differences between the three states of matter. Okay, so see this table. Okay, this is table and first point is property. In the first point, property is shape. Okay, what is the shape of solid? It has a definite shape because the arrangements of the particles are very closely packed, so it has a definite shape. In liquid, it has no definite shape and it takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. Like if liquid is poured in a jug, then it takes the shape of the jug. If liquid is poured in a glass, then it takes the shape of the glass. And in gases, there is no definite shape and it occupies all the available spaces as particles are very loosely packed. Okay, so see property number 2, that is volume. Okay, so in solid there is a definite volume, and liquid also volume is definite, but in gases there is no definite volume. Okay, and third property is interparticle forces of attraction, as the particles are very much closely packed in case of solid, so it is more, the interparticle force of attraction is highest in solid, then it comes a little slow in less in liquid and least in gases. So it is more in solid than liquid and gases. It is less in than solid but more than gases, and it is less than solid and less than liquid. Okay, so least in case of gases. So now comes to interparticle spaces. Okay, so interparticle spaces, again the spaces are very less, means they are very closely packed. Okay, so interparticle spaces are less, are least in solid, so it is written here is less than liquid and gases, more than solid. Okay, as there are some spaces between the particles in case of liquid, so interparticle spaces is more than solid but less than liquid, and in case of liquid, as their particles are very far apart. Okay, so there are a lot of spaces between the particles, so we can say there is a more than solid and liquid. Brownian motion is negligible. Okay, and in liquid there is a considerable Brownian motion. Okay, and in gaseous Brownian motion is very high. Okay, so when we spray a bottle, particles comes out and intermixes with the particles of the air, so where we can see that there is a Brownian motion is very high. Okay, and compressibility, for compressibility solid are unable to compress, or so they are they cannot be compressed. For liquids, so for liquid can flow, we know, but there is a condition that it flows from higher to lower level. Okay, from high level to low level. And in case of gases, they can flow in every possible direction, whatever the direction, they can flow in each direction. Okay, now come to free spaces. There are more than one free space in case of solid, and remember this thing, there is only one free space in the case of liquid. Okay, and there are no free spaces in case of gases. So these are the properties